He hasn't bit the piggy yet. You want this hand too? No, not dry. Or you're not I suppose. What?
Nom nom.
Why are you doing this?
This is Kirsten. She is weird.
I'm being true on my cat.
Your cat's weird. This is Fetty. He's going to be a star one day.
He is. He's only got one eye.
One eye.
And 3 legs.
No, left leg.
And look at his chin.
Nope.
I don't know this.
Hey, there's a camera. Oh, he's purring.
Wait, let's see him dance. Come on, Fetty, dance. Come on, Fetty, dance. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Get off my laptop. That's what I thought. You know he's mean. I'm scared.
He's mean.
Oh yes. Oh yes. The Fetty likes rubs. Fetty likes rubs. Fetty likes rubs. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh God. I wish I... That was my cat, Fetty. He's only got 1 eye and 3 legs. He's very special. If you guys want to know more about that, let me know in the doobly-doo below, and I will make a new video on all that. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and more videos of him will be up shortly. He's sitting over there on his little thing. Fetty. Hi. See, this is Fetty. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.